Today, we will use pictures and subtraction to compare. When we compare, we ask, how many more? How many fewer? There are 8 dogs and 5 bowls. Each dog needs 1 bowl. Some dogs have bowls. Some dogs do not have bowls. Let's count the dogs without bowls. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dogs without bowls, so 3 more dogs need a bowl. We compared the pictures to find the answer. Example number 2. There are 6 dogs and 10 bowls. All the dogs have bowls. Some bowls are left over. Let's count the bowls that are not needed. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bowls left, so 4 bowls are not needed. We can also say there are 4 fewer dogs than bowls. Now let's use subtraction to compare. Subtracting to compare helps us find the difference between 2 groups. To find the answer, we always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Let's look at some pictures. There are 7 birds and 4 nests. Which number is larger? 7 is larger than 4. We subtract 4 from 7. We get 3. So, there are 3 fewer nests. Subtracting helps us compare. Let's try one more. There are 9 birds and 5 nests. Which number is larger? 9 is larger than 5. We subtract 5 from 9. We get 4. So, there are 4 more birds. Great work! Remember, subtracting to compare helps us find how many more or how many fewer. Always subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Pictures help us see and understand the difference. You used pictures. You used subtraction. You compared like a math star. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.